is it okay to ask the last part of the question? Kasi the first one was about the madaming mga lead stars.
Ano ang bentahe ng isang bilang?
Ano po ang
Ano yung difference sa isang bilang?
difference? Oh, okay. Well, first of all, syempre, it still feels surreal to be part of this project, Project Loki. It was very unexpected for me to have this huge opportunity. And I'm very thankful, first of all, sa Viva, sa TV5 for trusting me. Yun nga, tulad na sinabi mo, there are a lot of lead actors na magagaling, mahuhusay, at talagang magaling. Pero syempre, siguro yung difference sa akin, well, I believe na we're all different naman, we're all unique, and we all give different ways of portraying characters. So, siguro it's just, we're all dedicated. Pero ako kasi very dedicated ako when it comes to studying characters and portraying roles. So, siguro yun yung isa sa mga unique personalities. Yeah, so, ayun, I'm very excited and looking forward na mapalabas na at mapanood ng mga audience sa Project Loki.